Hi, Rachel Ayala here, and it is April 9th, 2019, and this is week 6, microbiology, and we're doing our tolerance lab. Okay, so I have all my nutrient broths with NaCl in them, and I have my 1%, my 7%, and my 15%. And I have one for S. epidermis and one for S. cerevisiae. Okay, and I'm going to be taking 2 drops of my my bacteria right here, my S. cerevisiae, and 2 drops of my S. epidermis, and I'm going to be placing them into my lab tubes, my nutrient broths right here, using aseptic technique. Okay, and then I'm going to let those grow for 48 hours. So here we go. Should I use this one? No, I should use that one. Okay, so I have flamed all my lids, and now I'm putting 2 drops of S. epidermis in each of my nutrient broth tubes. Okay, now I flamed my lids, and I'm taking 2 drops of my S. cerevisiae, and I'm putting them into my appropriate tubes. All right, so that is exercise 1 of this lab, and I'm gonna continue on to exercise 2. We're gonna be letting those nutrient broths with the NaCl, we're gonna let those incubate for 48 hours. Okay. Okay, so this is exercise 2 of salt tolerance and pH testing. We're doing the pH testing right now. Okay, and so I have labeled some nutrient broths. S. epi 5, 7, and 9, S. cerevisiae 5, 7, and 9. Okay, and so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be putting my hydrochloric acid, I'm going to be putting 1 drop in my S. cerevisiae, my S. cerevisiae 5 and my S. epi 5. Okay, and then I'm going to be putting 1 drop of my NaOH in my S. epi 9 and my S. cerevisiae 9. S. cerevisiae 7 and S. epidermis 7, they don't need any drops because that is the appropriate pH as right now. After I put those drops in, I'm going to be using aseptic technique, of course, and I'm going to be placing 2 drops of S. epidermis and S. cerevisiae in their appropriate tubes. So here we go. Okay, I have flamed the tops of my tubes, okay, to sterilize them, and I'm placing 1 drop of hydrochloric acid in my S. cerevisiae 5 and my S. epidermis 5 tubes. Both of my lid tops to sterilize, and I'm now placing 1 drop of sodium hydroxide in my S. epidermis 9 and S. cerevisiae 9. Okay, so now I have flamed all the lids of my my broths, and I'm taking my S. epidermis culture, and I'm placing 2 drops in each of my S. epidermis tubes. Okay, record me. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking 2 drops. I've flamed all my lid tops, and I'm taking 2 drops of the S. cerevisiae, and I'm putting them in each of my nutrient broth tubes. Okay, so now I'm going to be letting my nutrient broths incubate for 24 hours, and I'm going to observe growth then. And that's going to be the end of this lab, and stay posted for more.